This is video number 3 of computer class 5 ICT computer. More operation in writer open office dot organization. Learning objectives. After the completion of this chapter, learners should be able to appreciate the various formatting options available in writer, learn to use the various formatting options. But before knowing too much in this chapter, this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj so that you can get new video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj. Introduction. Here we'll discuss mainly about writer length. You know what is writer length? Just like in mobile, you know how can you write, and here alignment refers to the horizontal positioning of text in the document relative to margin. Format menu, alignment, left, centered, right, justified. Formatting toolbar as a set of 4 icons: left, centered, right, and justified. There are certain scripts which are written from right to left. Most common among them is Arabic script. Question is, find out the name of some language which are written in Arabic script. Urdu, Persian, Lorish. Urdu, Arabic. Find out at least 2 more scripts which are written right to left. Centered. As the name implies, centered, text in place in the center of each lines. As you type the text, it expands equally to the left and right, leaving the same margin. Both sides centered text is often used for writing documents, titles, and headings. Observe the poems carefully. Do you find any similarity in their alignment? The alignment is centered. Find out the names of at least 2 poems from your English or Hindi textbooks which you center align. Man Bhavan Saban, my favorite things. Justified. Justified text combines left and right alignment text. Here in this figure, see carefully where is left, where is center, and where is right, and where is justified. Now next thing, bullets and numbering. Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list of things and make it easier to read and follow. They help in presenting the data in an organized manner. You may format menu, bullets and numbering. You may see this thing. Mr. Balli, I am a very simple tool. I help you in making 3 types of list: bulleted, numbered, outline, numbered, nested lists. Bulleted list. Bulleted list contains a bullet that refers to the symbols that can be placed before the list items. It has no sequence or order. The default bullet is click on the bullets icon from formatting toolbar. Place the cursor from where you want the list. Type each list element in the document by pressing enter. Proper sequence. A numbered list is the one which has list of items in a proper sequence. The default numbering is 1, 2, 3. To make a numbered list, click on numbering icons from formatting toolbar. Type each list element by pressing enter. Nested list. Outline numbering. A nested list refers to list within a list. It has multiple levels. Headers and footers. Here creativity. Guess the character. You can find me on Indian currency. You know figure of Mahatma Gandhi. In every Indian currency you can see figure of Mahatma Gandhi. I am used to express happy mood. Smiley faces. You can use me to provide legal protection against copyright issues. Copyright protection. Companies use me to distinguish their business goods or services from those of other traders' trademark. I am often used to compare two numbers line. Headers and folders. Headers are portion of document that always appear at the top of a page, whereas footers appears at the bottom of page. Typically, headers display the title or cheaper name of a document, whereas footers are used for page numbering. It is the default alignment in Writer left. It is type of list which has proper sequence numbered. I represent a special characters bullets. I am always found on the top of a document header. I am a special key and helps in typing ascended character shift. I help in aligning the document within both margins justified. List within another list nested. I help in placement of text within the document alignment. I am symbols used for making and order list symbols. I am always found at the bottom of page footer. Now question answer. Chapter 3. You may observe what is a text element. It is used to set the placement of text horizontally within the document. It has 4 icons: left, right, center, justified. What are bullets and numbering? Bullets and numbering are used to emphasize list of things and make it easier to read, and folders. What is a nested list? A list within another list is called nested list. It has multiple levels. What are special characters? Special characters are those that fall outside the basic alphabet of the language. What is header and footers? Headers are the portion of a document that always appears to the top of a page, whereas footers appears at the bottom of a page. Title, page number, header, footer. Shortcut key: left Ctrl 1, right Ctrl plus R, a center Ctrl plus E, justified Ctrl plus 5, J, bold Ctrl plus B, helix Ctrl plus 1, I, underline Ctrl plus U. You will press Ctrl plus L. What will you get? Left. The little plant. You may write this poem. This is page number 12. And here, this is my humble suggestion to you all. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj for new video. Thank you. Have a nice day.